Accpac Advantage Series System Manager is the central module of your accounting system. It controls access to all other Advantage Series accounting modules and information. System Manager acts as the hub from which all the other modules operate and affects nearly everything you do in your Advantage Series system. Most System Manager functions are divided between administrative services and common services. Together, these tools make it easy for you to concentrate on the accounting aspects of your business and minimize the time spent on administrative tasks and activities. To begin, let's log into Advantage Series and specify which of the installed companies we wish to access, as well as the date we will be using for this session. This login screen is central to our security processing by determining which system components a user can access and in which language he will interact with the system. On a user-by-user basis, the system can interact with users in English, French, Spanish, or Chinese. The dialog box that just appeared is telling us that we have some unfinished monthly business to address. This reminder was generated by the centralized scheduling feature of Advantage Series. Reminders ensure that critical business processes are completed on time by notifying the appropriate staff of unfinished tasks. We'll choose to process it at a later date. System Manager's administrative services provide high-level control over the security and integrity of your data, letting you specify passwords and access rights to each database and program. You use security groups to control access to applications and specific functions within them. You can set up security standards separately for each application and give users different permissions for different applications. You can check data integrity by one or more applications or for all your company data at once. When processes such as importing or posting are not completed successfully, you can restart them right where they were interrupted, instead of having to start them all over again. System Manager warns you of problems at sign-on and identifies where problems occurred. Common Services contains functions used by all applications, including tax, bank, and currency maintenance, along with other tools to help users work more productively. In the company profile, you specify options for all your accounting applications, such as the head office address and the number of periods in your fiscal calendar. You can set up fiscal calendars for 12 or 13 periods, plus closing and adjustment periods, which are shared by all your company's integrated accounting applications. You can automate day-end processing or weekly reporting with Advantage Series Enterprise Edition macros. System Manager includes a Learn mode that allows easy automation of complex tasks using VBA. You can also automate recurring general ledger, accounts receivable, and accounts payable transactions with the scheduling and reminder list capabilities of System Manager. Reminder lists help you stay organized by alerting users when recurring transactions become due for processing and letting them get processed directly from the reminder list. Using the add-on MultiCurrency module, you can set up an unlimited number of currencies and currency exchange rate tables for your MultiCurrency databases. You can easily maintain the currencies of participating Euro countries with the fixed exchange rates used to convert transactions. Plus, you can specify an EU member currency to use for reporting purposes when your financial currency is Euro. With optional fields and validation tables, another add-on module, you can use optional tables to define additional data of your choice for your accounting applications and have the entries validated by the applications. Tax Services handles all tax computations and reporting related to sales and purchases. This is where you maintain all tax authorities and tax classes for accounts receivable, accounts payable, order entry, and purchase orders in one place. It also keeps audit trails of all transactions and provides centralized tax reporting. Bank Services lets you manage banks and bank information and reconcile bank statements. You can create general ledger batches for deposit interest and bank service charges, track checks and deposits from accounts payable, accounts receivable, and U.S. payroll, and handle check reversals and returns. System Manager also lets you process transfers between banks. System Manager 5.0 includes Accpac iConnect Server. Accpac iConnect is a solution that provides employees, customers, and partners with targeted and secure anytime, anywhere access to your Accpac Advantage accounting system. Remote access makes it easier to share information and collaborate with your important contacts, and offers comprehensive self-service capabilities to make your business more efficient.